into my kitchen today. We're going to do a simple 2-ingredient cake. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to put two 21-ounce cans. I'm using caramel apple pie filling. Then I'm simply going to add Angel Food Cake Mix. And I'm going to mix it up really good and make a mess in the process. You can use whatever kind of pie filling you want. I'm going to pour into a 9x13 that I have sprayed with cooking spray. I'm going to spread it out. Put it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. There it is, 2-step, 2-ingredient cake. Doesn't that look delicious? You can cut it, top it with whipped cream. We're going to top ours with vanilla ice cream. So I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you later.